If I go into a game, depending on the kid, I've taught them that if you go down here, you've got all different shapes and things, and they can create a game piece. So when we're playing a game, they can pick a game piece they like. They know how to change the colors to whatever they would like it to. Then they're playing the game. I'm playing with them. So I'll pick a game piece and they pick a game piece. And then I have on my phone actually a dice. So I'll hold the dice up to the camera so that they can see the, dice spin and they know what number to go to. It will, just like on a regular dice, it does actually spin. So I have it on my phone at all times, and you can see it spin, which is why they can't be like, you're cheating. No. Oh, they loved this activity.